Us Up SEO Tool full review, features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Us Up are in the description below. Now, let's get straight into it. Us Up is a free desktop-based SEO crawling tool designed for identifying technical SEO issues. It's often compared to Screaming Frog, but stands out by offering unlimited crawls at no cost. This makes it an excellent choice for SEO professionals, digital marketers, and website owners looking for a budget-friendly way to audit their websites. Since it runs locally on Windows, it provides fast and efficient scanning without relying on cloud-based resources. Key features include comprehensive crawling that detects broken links, duplicate content, missing meta tags, redirects, and other critical SEO issues. The tool offers real-time filtering, allowing users to focus on specific problems during the crawl process. It also supports data export to CSV, making it easy to analyze and share reports. Unlike some free SEO tools, Us Up doesn't impose crawl limits, meaning it can handle large websites without restrictions. Additionally, it provides a clean and simple interface, making it accessible even for beginners. Us Up is ideal for small businesses, in-house SEO teams, and agencies that need a cost-effective alternative to paid SEO crawlers. It's particularly useful for those conducting quick technical audits without the need for cloud-based collaboration or integrations with other tools like Google Search Console. Strengths of Us Up include its unlimited crawling capability, lightweight design, and user-friendly interface. It provides a straightforward way to detect SEO issues without the complexities of more advanced tools. The ability to filter and export data also makes it a practical choice for professionals who need flexibility in their reporting. However, weaknesses include its lack of Mac compatibility, as it only runs on Windows. Additionally, it lacks advanced features such as JavaScript rendering, backlink analysis, and integrations with third-party SEO platforms. While it's great for basic audits, users needing deeper insights, automation, or historical tracking may find it limiting. Overall, Us Up is a solid free option for technical SEO audits. If you need a simple, no-cost crawler that gets the job done efficiently, it's worth considering. Check the links in the description to download and try it out.